Hello, welcome to and welcome back to my channel. I think I'm doing a mixed mani today because this is just such a busy set. This is going to be my Mother's Day mani. Glass Garden is the Mother's Day set that had come out and it, I guess, sold out pretty quick. I just am thinking I want to pair it with Wild Rose, which I believe is still available on the website. It's beautiful. I just don't know if this is how sheer this is. So, oh, there they are. So, gonna take a peek, I think, at the pinky, the very tiny pinky one, to see, since I don't use it, to see how sheer it is. I'm still excited about the subscription box that I did open today. My gosh, it's so cool. I'm just having like the hardest time trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Okay, so it's not too opaque. It has a white background. Okay. Okay. So I don't ever use this one, so I will just toss it. Okay, so with that being said, I am going to take out this Wild Rose. It's a beautiful shimmer. So pretty. So it's in honor of Mother's Day. So my mother, who passed away June 1st, 2019. Some of you have heard the story, but I'm not gonna, this isn't what it's about. I think I will do this on the pinky. Don't think I need, I think I can still do one strip with two nails. Okay, so no pinky here. And I do love this. This isn't usually my ring finger, but I will try it. This is usually my middle. Oh, and I don't usually do a design on my thumb. I don't know yet. So pinky, ring, middle, pointer, or maybe, since that, maybe I'll do this one there, and thumbs, I'll do something like that. Decisions. It's so hard. Okay, let me just start. So my name's Marie, if you're new here. I am a stylist with Color Street, but I just love to do, oh wow, this Wild Rose. Okay. Super pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, some of you will be happy to know that I fixed whatever it was going on with my videos that was making them smaller. So frustrating because I had the hardest time figuring it out, but I'm so proud of myself I did it. So they should be all back to normal now. My goodness, that was just stressful Trying to figure that out, but it was something in my editing app. So I got it. Yay. Wow, that's super pretty. I know I always am saying that, but it's the truth. Okay, this one is a little narrow, so I wonder if I should do the pink and then just do like a peekaboo with this. I'm not really a fan of peekaboos, but I could. I think I'm gonna try just to do something different, right? So ring finger is usually this one. So let's try it. Do a little stretchy stretch on it. Oh yeah, so pretty. Of course it is, I know. One day I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna start the video where I'm not allowed to say it's so pretty and see if I can do it. It just like, it automatically comes out of my mouth. Okay, then middle, just gonna be this. Oh, I guess I could have put the other on, but oh well. I'll put it on after this one. Oh my gosh, I love this pink. I'm gonna have to get another one. I only have this one. I say that, and then will I ever wear it? I'll have to. It's like a bubblegum pink. Love it. Love, love, love. These are doing this stuff again. That little tag. Is this long enough? Yeah. I mean, my nails aren't that long. It's like they're long, they get, the closer they get to this part, they're shorter. Because I use those fingers so much. Okay, so, oh yeah, that's why, because it was so plain. Or is it? I could. Well, I really like this. I'm gonna do this. I'll see if I can use, I don't know if I can do these for one. Oh, that's right, I don't need to stretch them because I'm doing peekaboo, but I'm thinking I wanted to see if I could, this is small enough that I could just do peekaboo all the way around. Okay. Okay, I think I like it. Definitely different for me. So I'll get this one in the middle also. go. Okay, I hope that looks okay. What do you think? I think I like it. Sometimes I don't know until I get the whole mani done. Definitely different. So do I want to do the same type of... do I want to do like sideways so I can get the flowers in there? Let's try it. Let's try. And I want it to do a good slant. Maybe I can try to do it off of here. Oh my gosh. Stresses me out. I'm just gonna foil it. Okay. That might have worked. Who knew? Who knew? That off there, and then it's all sticking everywhere. Not so talkative tonight. I have nothing to report. Okay, so this one I'll go that way so I can face it the other way. Right? Yes. Pretty much. Okay. What a mess pile of strips I have here. Okay, so now that I've done that, I feel like I need to, I'm going to use this one to do the pointers very similar. And I think I don't have to stretch this one. Yeah. Since it's normally my middle finger, it should be fine. Yes. Oh, come on. My nail is pretty short, so we'll see if it'll work on there. I think it'll be okay, that folded part. Yeah. Yes. Man, I just forgot to clean this one off. What's up with that? Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I'm trying to decide if I should do the peekaboo here, since it would be the right size, or should I do another slant? I think I will peekaboo it. Don't know what to do. Should I peekaboo it or slant it? That is the question. I think I'm going to peekaboo it. Now let's just hope I can get this in the middle. Pretty close. Pretty close. Ugh. I'm pretty sure I can't peel that up. No. Okay. Oh, okay. Thought it folded at the bottom. Oh, so sticky. Okay. All right, it worked. Wow. Yes, I need to do my thumbs. I won't forget to do both of my thumbs like I did that. I think it was my last video. I forgot to do this thumb, but then I ended up doing something else. I can't even remember at the moment. Oh, I came back and I don't remember, added the stars. I don't know if it was that many or not. My memory is not the best. Don't wrinkle. Don't wrinkle. I know much longer I won't be able to do this. Use one for both thumbnails. I'm trying to think positive that they're both gonna grow because they are not growing real well, which is nothing new. There was just that very short period where they both did kind of grow a little bit, so I was enjoying that. But same with my pointers. I try not to use them as tools, but apparently I must be. And then I'm going to leave these, since the pinkies are plain, I will leave these plain. And tomorrow I will put my OPI Plumping Top Coat on. I won't do it tonight because I don't want shrinkage happening, but let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, like my video, comment, and even share. See you next time. Ciao.